Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to explain how to download and install latest version PyCharm IDE in your Windows 11 operating system. So let's start my video. Before installing PyCharm IDE in your PC, you need to download latest version PyCharm IDE setup file. So here first we tell you how to download latest version PyCharm IDE setup file. I am using here Chrome browser for downloading setup file. You can use any browser. In the search bar type PyCharm download and search it. After searching, several websites will be open. Now you can just click on the first website. After clicking, we have come to the download page, and here you can see our operating system will be visible. Here first we need to select our operating system. So here I am select our operating system Windows. If you use another operating system, then select your operating system. After that, you can see here two types of installer will be visible. One is professional and second one is the community. I will suggest you to download community edition because it is absolutely free. So simply click on the download button. After clicking, you can see here our download has been started. We have already downloaded this file, so cancel it and go to our download folder and see the installation process. So this is my download folder, and you can see here our download will be completed and PyCharm setup file will be visible in our download folder. So double click on it and run the setup file for installation. Accept all permissions. After running your setup file, first interface will be visible. Here simply click on the next button. Again simply click on the next button. If you want to change installation path, then click on the browse to browse your path. Otherwise simply click on the next button. Here you need to select every checkbox, so select it, and after that click on the next button. Again click on the install button and your installation will be started. Wait few seconds for installation process will be completed. After that I am explain how to run Python program in PyCharm IDE. So wait some time. So our installation has completed. So simply select I want to manually reboot later and click finish button to finish it. So after that I am explain how to run Python program in PyCharm IDE. So open PyCharm IDE. Select do not import settings and click on the OK button. Here select new project and write your Python project name. Write any project name, otherwise by default Python project want to write here. Simply click on the create button to create project. Before creating any project in PyCharm IDE, you need to download Python latest version and install it. So how to download Python latest version, Python interpreter in your PC and laptop? I will already make this video and link will be in the description. You can watch this video and install Python interpreter. After that install a PyCharm IDE and then create Python project in PyCharm IDE. So successfully run your project. So simply click on I am already download Python in our PC, so select and simply click on the create button to create. So our project will be created. Now here I am telling how to run Python program in PyCharm IDE. It is the best IDE for Python programming. By default some program will be written here. I am select all and delete it, and simple program right here, print hello, and simply click on the run button to run this project, and our output will be visible. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.